So right here, the difference of here was every day you held your shares from here to here, no matter when you bought it, they became more valuable. Do you see it? At any point that you would have bought this, any point, they became more valuable, right? Anywhere in here, because every day they became worth more and more and more and more. Do you see that?
Okay.
Yeah.
So this, because this was a bull market, you not only made all the money of your shares every week going up. Oh, they got exercise taken from me. I'll buy them again. Oh, they went up. Oh, they got exercise. They took them from me. Oh, so you make the premium, right? Plus the share price that's been going up every day, right? Over here, though, you're losing, right? You're losing the share price, but you're gaining the premium, okay? Which will never be the same as this, would it? Because every day my shares go up and my premium I get collected. Over here, you're fighting because your premium is trying to offset the loss you're taking in the shares, okay? So with this method, during the worst market ever, let's be honest, it was, it really is. We have to hedge these with puts, right? So not only now do you get to write the covered calls, you have to hedge them with puts. Why? Because just like Kelly said, if you look at the daily chart, every day the stock has gone down. So you have to hedge the share price that's being lost is going to be your puts. They protect it. That's your insurance. And so is your premium. Your premiums will be about 10 to maybe 15% insurance. Let's think of it that way, right? Your puts, though, can be like 30 to 40% of the insurance. And yes, you would have to pay them as a premium to protect your assets. Okay. So those are different strategies. And that, though, is why during a bear market, it's really hard for cash secure puts and covered calls versus I can just throw in any money I want over here and make money. That's a different market. Okay. The strategies I'm training you today is because of this horrible ass market. Does everybody understand that?